wait right there. You're probably about to watch a video showing you something about how to sell on Amazon. If you are, before you watch that video, let me just tell you, a lot of the stuff that you see on YouTube either is old or it doesn't work. It's very old, it's very outdated. A lot of the stuff that you need to know right now in terms of selling on Amazon, especially during the virus, right, is products, right? The products have changed. Let me give you a couple of examples, all right? This product right here, this is a car accessory. This is doing incredible volume right now, right? It's doing incredible volume. It's a simple product, it's a lightweight product. It's something that you could sell on Amazon, all right? Here's another product. This is a knife sharpener, right? Doing incredible volumes as well. People are stuck at home. They're spending more time in the kitchen. They're spending more time doing the things that they love to do. And basically, this is off the charts right now on Amazon.com, all right? Here's another product. This is a vitamin mix, right? So if you want to make the beautiful bubbly sort of coconut water in there, you got your berries in there. Basically, this is a very simple product that you could be selling on Amazon as well. So what do these products have in common? Well, number one, a lot of them are home-based products. Most of them are home-based products. So people are spending more time at home right now. They're spending more time in the house, in the kitchens. They're spending more time basically looking after their family. Now, these products, they're simple products. They're lightweight products. They're products that can fit ideally in a shoebox. And this is the sort of products that a lot of my clients focus on, is making sure that the product is simple, it's lightweight, it's profitable, and it's also something you can brand with your logo. Are you looking to sell on Amazon and actually brand your products with your logo? If you are, then I'm running a live training around this video. There's a link. Give that link a click, and I'll love to see you on this live training. Now, on this training, we're going to go through 10 products that are selling right now on Amazon. You're going to learn the strategies to finding good products. The biggest challenge people have is they don't know what is selling. They don't know what products are selling. So I'm going to show you how you can launch a product not only on the US Amazon.com, but also on other marketplaces like the Australian marketplace, which is doing incredible volume right now, right? And also it's a reasonably new marketplace. The UK marketplace, the German marketplace, Italy. Amazon is in all these countries, Spain, Italy, Czech Republic, right? So launch your product first on Amazon.com and then transfer into other marketplaces. So I'll show you how to go about doing that as well on this live presentation. So around this video is a link. Give that link a click. I would love to see you there. Now, I've been coaching people for many years on finding products. That's my forte, basically helping people find their products, their winning products, and get it launched on Amazon in other marketplaces. So I'm going to reveal 10 products you can sell right now. I'm also going to show you what to look for in terms of products, but also I'm going to outline the steps that you need to take to start something. If you've been thinking about starting a business, a bit of a side business, maybe you want a backup sort of side income happening right now because it's a crazy time we're in right now, right? So I'm going to show you how to go about doing that as well. I'd love to see you there around this video. Give that link a click. Bye-bye for now. Have a great day. See you later.